the next topic, law of triangle of vector addition or triangle law of vector addition. According to this law, the two vectors can be represented both in magnitude and direction by the sides of a triangle. There is a third vector which complete a triangle and in opposite direction represent the resultant of these two vectors both in magnitude and direction. Both in magnitude and direction. Analytical method. By this law, this is an x-axis. Along x-axis, we take a vector of magnitude p, vector p, and other vector q, such that it makes angle theta with the x-axis, or the value of resultant is alpha. Vector OA, this is V, we drop a perpendicular n on the x-axis. OA vector and another is AB vector. Another is OA vector is R vector, which is the resultant of P vector and Q vector. P vector and Q vector. R vector is the sum of P vector plus Q vector. In triangle BON by Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OA square ON square plus NV square. But ON is equal to OA in triangle BAN sin theta is equal to BN upon AN and cos theta, AB upon AB. This is the equation number 3. The equation is OB square is equal to OA plus AN का whole square plus BN square. We put the values from equation 3 in one we get. We want to put the value of AN and BN. OB square is equal to OA plus AB. We put the value of AN. Cos theta square plus AB sin theta whole square. We open the bracket and we got OB square, OA square, AB square cos square theta plus 2OA into AB plus AB square sin square theta. But sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, hence OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square plus 2OA AB cos theta. By diagram, this is R square, this is P square, this is Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. This is the value we got for resultant. Now for direction, in triangle tan alpha is equal to CN BN upon ON. But ON can be written as OA plus AN. By using the third equation, we got, by third equation, tan alpha is equal to AB sin theta upon OA plus AB cos theta. For theta is equal to 0 degree, tan alpha is equal to 0. For theta is equal to 90 degree, tan alpha is equal to AB upon OA.